Have you ever felt like you were watching the future arrive faster than you could process it? That feeling when the impossible slowly becomes the norm, and you suddenly realize, wait, did Elon Musk just break every rule of the car industry again? What if I told you Tesla's quiet moves in the last few weeks might be more groundbreaking than any press event they've ever held? No, this isn't just about another update or factory opening. This is about Tesla's Gen 3 moment, and a potential reality where cars don't just drive themselves, they deliver themselves, pick up passengers, and maybe, never need a human again. Welcome to AMP Drive, where the future of Tesla unfolds every day. And today, we're peeling back a story you haven't fully heard, one that could change the entire industry. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, because what you're about to hear is unlike anything else out there. Imagine this, a brand new Tesla Model Y silently rolls off the line at Giga, Texas. No human touches the steering wheel. No driver enters. Instead, it pulls out of the delivery tunnel, turns left at the test track, exits the gates, and drives itself 23 miles through Austin's dense city streets, right to the driveway of its new owner. Elon Musk says that's going to happen on June 28. And he's not joking. In fact, Tesla has quietly built a completely driver-free ride experience they plan to showcase with no public fanfare, just action. And while most of the world is distracted with smartphone updates and celebrity drama, Tesla is launching its most daring test yet, real Robotaxi on public roads. Now, let's rewind just a little. Back in April, everyone expected Tesla to unveil a new $25,000 Gen 3 car. Something small, compact, affordable. The kind of EV that would flood the market and put combustion cars to shame. But what happened instead? Elon pulled a curveball. He declared that Tesla was focusing entirely on Robotaxi. A software-first future. The $25,000 car, according to internal reports from Reuters in early June, had been shelved, maybe even quietly cancelled back in 2024. But here's the twist. Elon denied that. Publicly. Twice. So what's really happening? Sources say Tesla is now merging its Gen 3 ambitions directly into the Robotaxi program. Meaning instead of building a new car for people to buy, they're building a new system for people to summon. No ownership. No keys. No driver. Just app, ride, done. And that changes everything. Not just for Tesla, but for cities, lawmakers, and industries that depend on driving as we know it. In Austin, where all this is happening, Tesla has been testing dozens of Model Ys with unreleased FSD software. No steering corrections. No fallback driver. The plan is simple, make autonomy feel boringly normal. And it might just work. Local residents have spotted these silent vehicles weaving through traffic, merging with perfect timing, and even reacting to unpredictable pedestrians and cyclists. Still, regulators aren't convinced. In early June, the NHTSA sent Tesla a formal inquiry, asking how the Robotaxi fleet handles low-visibility situations. Fog. Night. Glare. Tesla responded with vague confidence, but that wasn't enough. On June 12, safety activists staged a public demo in Austin. They used child-sized mannequins, placed them near curbs and crosswalks, and challenged Tesla's vehicles to respond appropriately. The result? Mixed. Some cars hesitated and braked. Others didn't react at all. Critics exploded online. Was Tesla rushing too fast? Meanwhile, behind the scenes, Tesla took a bold legal step. They filed an injunction to block the city of Austin from releasing public records about the Robotaxi program. Why? They claimed it would reveal trade secrets. But skeptics say it's about hiding mistakes, not protecting IP. Suddenly, what was once a cool futuristic test became a shadowy high-stakes operation. And all of it is part of Tesla's Gen 3 plan. Let's talk software. Because that's the real star of this show. On June 10, Elon confirmed Tesla was internally testing a massive new FSD neural network, 4.5 times larger than the current one. It's built to learn from edge cases faster than any system before. Early users in Austin are unknowingly helping train it in real time. Every sidewalk decision, every wrong-way cyclist, every unexpected dog in the road, it all feeds the network. The more the fleet drives, the smarter it gets. Not in months. In hours. But here's something you haven't heard. Tesla is running a parallel program using the same Gen 3 software base, but in drones. Yes, you heard that right. Internal leaks suggest Tesla is quietly applying the same autonomy stack to airborne delivery tests in Nevada. The idea? Build an all-encompassing mobility OS. Cars, trucks, drones, one brain. One system. Infinite scalability. It sounds wild. But if true, Tesla is no longer just a car company. It's a transportation AI platform. Now you might be wondering, where's the Gen 3 hardware in all this? Great question. While the $25,000 hatchback may be gone, its essence isn't. In May, Tesla released a stripped-down long-range RWD Model Y for under $45,000, one of the cheapest long-range EVs in America after incentives. This is Gen 3 in disguise. Same principles. Fewer parts. Faster production. Simpler wiring. And a software-defined future. The Gen 3 philosophy isn't a car, it's a mindset. Make everything minimal, upgrade through software, and prepare the hardware to fade into the background. Right now would be a great time to remind you, if you love futuristic tech and raw Tesla intelligence, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss what's coming next on Amp Drive. This isn't just news. This is where tomorrow gets explained in real time. Here's a wild prediction: Tesla might never launch a named Gen 3 car. Instead, every Tesla will become Gen 3. Starting with how they drive themselves, update overnight, and integrate deeper into your digital life. And by the time you notice, it'll already be too late to catch up. Back to Austin. As of June 22, Tesla is preparing to launch public rides with just 10 to 20 driver-free vehicles. The rollout is small on purpose. It lets Tesla control risk, minimize scrutiny, and quietly optimize. Early testers are under NDA. And Tesla isn't posting flashy promo videos. Why? Because if it works, it'll speak for itself. And if it fails, well, fewer people will notice. One final twist. Elon Musk said on X that by July, Robotaxis will deliver themselves to customers. Think about that. You buy a Tesla online. It leaves the factory. It drives to your door. No one touches it. No trucks. No people. Just code. That moment, if successful, will be the first time a consumer product delivered itself fully autonomously. That's not a car innovation. That's a logistics revolution. So here's what we know. Gen 3 is alive, but not in the way we imagined. It's not a hatchback. It's a transformation. A software revolution wrapped in sleek metal. And June 2025 might be remembered as the month Tesla quietly changed transportation forever. On the surface, things seem calm. But behind the scenes, everything is shifting. The next few weeks will reveal whether Tesla's boldest bet yet pays off, or crashes into the real world's messy unpredictability. Stay curious, stay sharp, and most importantly, stay subscribed. Because here at Amp Drive, we bring you closer to the edge of innovation with every story. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next ride into the future.